So, good morning, students. So, how are you all? I hope you all are well at your place. Yes. So now start with the today's session. So yes, students. So now tell me what we had done in previous class. Yes. So in previous class we have started a chapter that is fiber to fabrics. Yes. So that chapter we see that what is fabric, that how many types of fiber is there, natural fiber, artificial fiber. In natural fiber there is a plant and animals. From plant we get cotton, jute. From animal we get wool, silk from silk worm. Yes, so we get this from all. Yes, so now, yes, so now tell me, in front of you there is some image in front of you. Now you see this. Yes. So now tell me, students, that what you see in your screen. Yes. Yes. Wool, sheep. Yes. We can say that fur. Yes. Woolen sweater. So yes, so now they start with the animal fiber. So wool is obtained from where? Wool is obtained from fleece, hair of sheep or yak. Yes, and the silk fiber comes from where? Cocoons of the silk moth. And do you know that which part of the sheep is body yield fibers? So are you aware how these fiber are converted into the wool and yarn? So that we buy from the market to knit sweater. Yes, so do you have any idea that how silk fiber are made into a silk which is woven into the saris? Yes. Yes, students, do you think how which we get that silk fiber which is made up of silk, so which is woven into sari? Yes, so we take some like woolen obtained from where? uh, sheep or yak hair. Yes, and the silk fiber come from where? Cocoon, silk moth. Yes, obtained. So yes, uh, these are some example of animals fiber. Okay, these are some example of what? Animals fiber. So the wool. So what is the wool? Wool comes from where? Wools come from sheep, goat, yak, and some, yes, other animals. Wool we get, like जो wool होता है ना, हमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट से अप टू एंड होता है. लाइक सिर्फ sheep से ही नहीं, हमें goat से भी, yak से भी, और अदर टाइप के एनिमल से भी हमें wool जो है वो मिलता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस वुल एल्ड एनिमल बियर हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडी. तो जो आप सी इन दिस पिक्चर, जो सिप्स होते हैं, याक है या फिर गॉट है, इनके बॉडी पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारे ऐसे हेयर प्रेजेंट होते हैं. यस, सो इसी को हम निकाल कर इसे क्या करते हैं? यूज करते हैं. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वूल. ओके, सो व्हाई डू यू थिंक दिस एनिमल बियर हेयर ऑन देयर बॉडी? व्हाट यू थिंक दैट व्हाई डू वी थिंक दिस लाइक एनिमल बियर इनके बॉडी में जो हेयर होता है इनके बॉडी में? सो आप क्या सोचते हैं कि इनके बॉडी में हेयर क्यों होता है? यस. यस स्टूडेंट्स, सो इनके बॉडी में हेयर्स क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जैसा कि आपको पता होगा कि जो याक है, लाइक वो आइस एरिया में और ठंडी एरिया में रहता है, तो इनके बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, लाइक ठंडे से, गर्मी से, या फिर किसी भी चीज से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इनके बॉडी में नेचुरली क्या होता है? हेयर प्रोड्यूस होता है. और इसी हेयर को हम निकाल करके वूल बनाते हैं, फिर वूलन स्वेटर बनाते हैं, फिर इसको क्या करते हैं? यूज करते हैं, है ना, वूल के तौर पे. ओके, so yes, okay, so this animal bear what? Hair on their body. Okay, so the fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool. Yes, only sheep के जो fleece है, जो hair है, वो ही source नहीं है. But there is also obtained from goat hair. I also told in the previous slide, the under the fur of Kashmiri goat is also soft, and it is woven into a fine soul which is called पश्मीना सोल. यस, सो यस स्टूडेंट्स, पश्मीना सोल हम सब जानते हैं कि बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है, गर्म होता है. तो वो किसके वूल से बनता है? वो कश्मीरी गोट से बनता है. वो कश्मीर में ही मिलता है, तो उसी के हेयर से, उसी के फ्लीस से क्या होता है? जो पश्मीना सॉल है उसी को बुन करके बनता है. ओके, so the fur on the body of camel is also used as a wool. So this is the also example of wool. जो कैमल होते हैं उनके बॉडी से भी हमें वूल प्रोवाइड होता है, वूल मिलता है. सो दिस इज द ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वूल. ओके, so now here is one activity in front of you. So feel the hair on your body and arms and those on your head. So do you find any difference which one seems coarse and which one is soft? So feel, yes, feel your hair. बॉडी में जो आपकी हेयर है एंड आर्म में जो हेयर है, हाथ में जो हेयर है, आप उसको छुइए. यस, एंड डू यू फाइंड एनी डिफरेंस एंड यू सी योर हेयर here also. So you see different hairs, different types of hair which is present in our body also. Yes, so yes, so now tell me what you observe in this video, I mean this image. Yes, what you see, what is this? Yes, this one is a wool. Yes, fur of sheep, we can say that fleece of sheep, है ना? Yes student, this is the sheep wool. So now see here. So the first process, removal dirt and fat. So wash of flesh. What happened in first step? First step is what happened? Yes. So पहले जो बाल होता है उसको धोते हैं. Short wool जो है उसे फिर different categories में बांटते हैं. Then curd wool, then the comb wool, then the spin wool, and then play the yarn, the single strand of wool yarn twisted together. What happened? फर्स्ट जो वूल होता है उसको हम अच्छे से धोते हैं, फिर उसको अलग अलग सेपरेट करते हैं. देन क्या करते हैं, उसे अच्छे से कॉम करते हैं. देन उसे इसके हेल्प से, मशीन के हेल्प से स्पिन करते हैं. देन उसे हम यार्न बनाते हैं. यार्न में धागा. यस, ओके स्टूडेंट. सो yes, so the sorting, the hair is sent to a factory where hair of different texture are separated or sorted. Okay, so the carding, the woolen fiber are disentangled and strength into a continuous form. So the combing, spinning and weaving. Okay, these are the some process of after the trimming of sheep fleece. These are some process which is have done. So now step of commercial fiber processing. So first one is shearing. So what is shearing? So the saving the hair from the sheep's body and the scouring, the removal of all impurities from grasses, wool using water, detergent and something a mild alkyl. Okay, so सीयरिंग में क्या करते हैं, जो हेयर है उसको शेविंग करते हैं. स्कोरिंग में जो इम्प्योरिटीज है उसको हम क्या करते हैं, धोते हैं. एंड ड्राइंग में the amount of water held by the wool is reduced to below 15%. Okay, and the moisture in wool is removed by hot dry air blown and through the wool prior to being exhausted from the dryer. Okay, so now here is one activity, another activity in front of you. So the collect picture of animal whose hair is used as a wool. Okay, and stick them into your notebook. Okay students, so this is your activity as well as homework also. You collect what animals that whose give the hair which is used to make a wool, matlab used as a wool. So you collect the picture and paste it your notebook. Okay, so the yarn, so do you remember pulling a thread from a cloth and opening it? So आई थिंक यू ऑल मस्ट हैव heard that, like जो हमारे क्लोथ्स होते हैं उसमें से हम पतले पतले धागे निकलते हैं. यस, सो यू फाउंड हेयर लाइक फाइबर्स. यस, सो दैट थ्रेड which was made of fibers is called what? Yarn. And the yarns are made up of what? Numbers of fibers twisted together. Yes, so the fibers are thin and small and cannot be made into a fabric directly. Okay, so they are first converted into yarn which are longer, thicker and stronger. So we use this yarn to make a fabric. Okay student, so the yarn is continuous strand made up of what? Number of fabric which are twisted together. Okay, so the yarn making, so what happened in yarn making? So the process of making yarns from fiber is called what? Spinning. And here is the fiber are not only twisted but also pulled out or drawn. So the spinning process helps to hold the fibers together and makes the yarn strong, smooth and fine. So now clear students, so the spinning can be done by using a takli, spindle and a charkha or a spinning machine also. So you see that like Gandhi ji always used charkha, yes, to spin the spinning for spinning. Yes. So state where the following are true or false. So state where the followings are true or false. So yarn is made of numbers of fiber, and the spinning is a process of making fiber, and the spinning increase the strength of yarn. Twisted increase the strength of the yarn, and smooth of yarn depending on the twisted of the yarn. Oh, sorry, by mistake I okay. So now here is also question. So the recapitulation time. So today we have started a topic, topic like wool and wool production and about the yarn. So that these are the some true or false. So yarn is made up of what? Numbers of fibers. Spinning is a process of making fiber. Spinning increase the strength of yarn, or twisting increase the strength of yarn. So what is the answer? Yes. Yes, student. So you give me the answer. So yes, now here is the activity or homework for you. So I already told you that collect picture of animal whose hair is used as a wool. I already give you this homework. So stick them in your notebook. So thank you, student.